Crack the coding interview. Can you explain the concept of virtual DOM in React? The virtual DOM is a lightweight representation of the actual DOM, used by React to efficiently update the real DOM. When a component's state changes, React first updates the virtual DOM. It then compares the virtual DOM to the actual DOM, and finds the minimum number of changes necessary to update the real DOM. This process is called reconciliation. By using the virtual DOM and reconciliation, React is able to efficiently update the page, making it fast and responsive. How does React handle updates and rendering? React uses a virtual DOM to handle updates and rendering. When a component's state changes, React first updates the virtual DOM. It then compares the virtual DOM to the actual DOM, and finds the minimum number of changes necessary to update the real DOM. This process is called reconciliation. What are the differences between state and props in React? Props, short for properties, are passed down from a parent component to a child component, and can be used to configure and customize the child component. Props are read-only, meaning the child component cannot change its props. State, on the other hand, is used to store and manage the internal state of a component. State can be changed by the component itself, and can trigger a re-render of the component when it changes. Can you explain the lifecycle methods of a React component? React components have several lifecycle methods that are called at different points during the component's life. Component didMount. Called after the component is rendered. Component will unmount. Called before the component is removed from the DOM. Component didUpdate. Called after the component updates. Should component update. Called before the component updates, and can be used to optimize performance by preventing unnecessary re-renders. Get snapshot before update. Called right before the DOM is updated. How do you implement a controlled component in React? A controlled component is a component that is controlled by the state of the parent component. In other words, the parent component controls the value and behavior of the child component. To implement a controlled component in React, you would pass a value and an event handler function, e.g. onChange, as props to the child component, and use the state of the parent component to control the value and behavior of the child component. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one.